What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam and today I'm going to show you some plant mail. So I turned 38 in the middle of June, so a couple weeks ago, well actually, it's been a month. I edit very slowly. So anyway, I took a few video clips throughout the week of me getting a lot of this stuff, and the first thing that I'm going to show you is a really sweet gift from my good buddy Aaron Deathley. He managed to find a terrarium supplier in my state that I didn't even know existed. I actually opened the first package that I got on Instagram Live, and he watched it the next morning and was like, well, I'm very glad that you liked the plants. However, those are not the plants I ordered. It turns out he ordered on the week that the owner of the shop was away on vacation and things got a little crazy. My order actually got mixed up with somebody else's. They fixed it right away. I actually got the replacement plants 2 days later and was able to keep the 2 Sarracenias that were mistakenly sent to me. So you girl's gonna have to figure out a bog garden. So I didn't expect these the day that I got them, so I definitely wasn't ready to film, but I did want to at least get on camera a little bit while I opened it. So I will put the variety of Nepenthes on the screen for you if you're interested. I have this one under some grow lights right now and it is doing fine. And then the adorable Anthurium that I received is also doing great. It's very cute and I'm very excited to have it. I've always wanted one of those. So it's the Fingers Anthurium. It was really sweet and entirely unnecessary to send me birthday plants, but you know, that's Aaron for you. Thank you, buddy. Love you.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
So I got a couple more packages to show you, so. Okay, package number 2 this week. So Giovanna reached out to me earlier this week, I think. She got this to me fast, and we were initially going to do a trade, and I didn't have a plant that she was looking for. And then she just told me she would just send this to me. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a little bit, you will know why I'm so excited. She left a note on the inside of the box. Oh, yay. So, do you know what this is? This is a Hoya Obscura. This has been on my wish list for so long, and Lyra was actually going to cut me off a little piece of hers, but she's only got a little baby too, so I'm pretty glad that now she won't have to do that. This is so exciting. So exciting. It's a happy little one though. Let's see if we can get some of that nice sun stress on it that makes everyone want this plant so badly, besides its very cool blooms. So thank you to Aaron and Giovanna for their very sweet planty gifts. Oh, yay. Got mail. This package is from Knotdude, my buddy Adam. I'm so excited. Oh, yay. Oh, I got a pin. I love it. That's awesome. Oh, there's 2 pins. I'm excited. I didn't know I was getting those. All right, let's see how big my head is. Little card. This would be, ooh, I got an extra sticker too, yay. You beautiful fucking humans. I love him. Adam is one of my favorite people in the whole world right now. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, Adam. Now I can mix it up from the boomer hat, right, Peter? I'll put the information down below if you want one of these really cool plant nerd hats. Super excited. As you can see, it was a very good birthday mail week, and I also got a really sweet gift certificate from Mike's parents to go to Logi's, get some more plants. And if I hadn't already told you that I was 38, you would know by how excited I am for the weed whacker that my parents bought me for my birthday. Okay, that's all I have for you for right now. I got word that the company I ordered from in Thailand is finally shipping the rest of their orders in order of which they were received. So hopefully I'll have a fun, hopefully not dead plant order for you soon. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.